Who is AGiRepair? AGiRepair is a company that specializes in parts, repair services, warranties, buyback, and white glove service for all Apple and Chromebook devices. Who do we work with? We mainly operate in the educational space, but we also work with corporations, repair franchises, warranty companies, and even other repair shops and refurbishment centers. We've always been open to partner with our competition and have had great success building mutually beneficial partnerships. I've been in this industry for nearly 20 years, and when we first started AGiRepair, we wanted to leverage our expertise and experience to first focus on devices and education.
So AGiRepair is well known as an all-inclusive partner in support of one-to-one school district initiatives. We really understand what all goes into planning a one-to-one initiative, from budgeting to getting funding approved to choosing the right devices for your students. And then once these devices are deployed in the classroom, school districts are looking for a repair partner to fix their devices whenever damage occurs. And then several years down the road, now you're going to refresh your devices and you're looking for a company that could buy back your devices in a simple and transparent way. And that's where AGiRepair really comes into play. Our solutions are being utilized by over 5,000 school districts nationwide and working extremely well. At the end of the day, our goal is to be your lifelong partner.
AGiRepair is a unique company that offers a variety of solutions across multiple industries. We are known for innovative repair solutions such as LCD remanufacturing, repolarization, delamination fixes, cosmetic refurbishing, glass resurfacing, and basically every other repair on a laptop, tablet, or phone. We've been able to help other companies by partnering with them to offer our services to their customers, thus creating new revenue streams for all parties involved. If you're looking for a company that can offer you full life cycle management, value-added services, and cutting-edge repair solutions, AGiRepair is your company.
Here at AGiRepair, we do over 5,000 repairs per month on MacBooks, iPads, and Chromebooks. Our main focus is on having intuitive and efficient systems to be able to help us refine our repair process to be able to give the customer the best experience possible. Most companies focus on 3% reworks. Our goal is always 0%. So what sets us apart is our technicians. The goal with our technicians is to not create part-time jobs for people, it's to create careers and build upon those careers and give people opportunity. We promote from within, and we constantly are striving to be the best company in the industry with the things that we're doing.
What makes AGiRepair different than other companies? It's simple. It's our people. You can't expect to have a great company without great people. No matter how good your repairs are and how many different solutions you can offer, without having the right people in the right places, you're not going to be able to deliver a great customer experience. I am lucky to be able to work with a talented and innovative team to be able to offer some of the best products and repair services in the industry.